Welcome back to this episode of jsRebuilds. Special thanks to Ryan's son, Arnold, Ray, and John, who helped make this project transportation possible down to the shop. Alright guys, now we are going to head to take the project car to Ryan's shop to get the bodywork done. Alright, I'm down here at Ryan's shop. What I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start taking parts off the car and start sanding down the parts. So what I'm doing here is I'm doing 2 panels a day. So I just got done with the front bumper and the lip. Now I'm gonna start working on the fenders. So yeah, to get some progress, I'm just gonna do 2 panels a day. Here's the first fender that I started to work on. I had to use a block, use 320, block it down by hand to see where my highs and lows are. The way you'll know that is with when the metal starts showing, then you know where your low spots are at, and that's where you're gonna have to do the repairs. And with this fender, of course it came off a used JDM front end, Integra, but I gotta say this was in pretty good shape for what it is, you know, especially the age of it. Afterwards, I'm gonna have to fix those dents, and then with these jams I use red Scotch-Brite to scuff it up, and once the dents are repaired, then we will get this in primer. So I am going to move on to my next fender. The goal is to do 2 panels a day. That way I can just focus on 2 panels and make sure they come out straight. Okay, got all the parts sanded down. Now time to get it primed. So I got quite a bit of pieces here that I gotta shoot. So what I'm doing here is I'm spraying the adhesive promoter on any urethane that is exposed. What this does is it makes the primer bond to the urethane a lot better. Here Ryan is showing me the tips and process of laying down primer.
Remember new edges that shape really nice too.
So after my parts are primed, what I'm doing here is I am using 320 sandpaper to block my parts. So it's been a while since I haven't used this dent pulling machine and couldn't figure out why it wasn't getting any power. But of course I got Arnold and everyone else at the shop giving me a hard time.
Very expensive. You don't want to ruin them, dude. They're very, very expensive. They'll fuck some shit up. Ruin it. You get a big old shot.
Arnold giving me my first lessons on welding.